So you, sir, are what? Well, describe yourself to me, please. How old are you? How old are you? And you are? And what are you going to do with your life?
Probably look after you,
I don't fucking think so, man. I have that to look after me. I don't need you for that.
Not right, is it?
You believe in God?
No, I did not. No, but you do, didn't you? You believe that when I get off, right?
I believe in a thing called
When I say I need you sometime, I will pick up a gun.
Alright.
Because I believe in you and my
I wouldn't be here.
Put it there.
now.
Why is that?
If you believe in God.
Who told you that?
God did. It's in the Bible.
Where does it say
yesterday.
that?
In Republic, God came down.
Oh, you've all read the Bible?
Yeah.
You've read the Bible?
Oh, that's like bullshit.
You've read the Bible?
I've actually read the Bible 4 times.
Don't you think it needs changing a bit?
I think it needs burning.
No, it fucking needs burning, you're right. And it needs to move on, doesn't it?
Oh,
Like someone
Oh,
with
yes,
inequality.
it does need burning. And it does need moving on. And I agree with you, my love. How are you
who
going
else
to move it
is
on?
burning?
Am I
Brian
gonna move
Baumgarten.
Oh, God.
I'm not moving on.
You're not?
No?
But I agree with you. The Bible needs to be taken in the right now, thrown in a bin,
Not even
and going back to the fellas who
Get yourself on there.
talking to them. That's what I believe in. Do you believe in that? Or don't you believe it should exist at all?
I think people should drink.
Drink less.
Some different angles on the video.
I'm as dry as the bone, so drink to me, fella. Don't you there try like Mr. Kennedy and Hollywood. What do you believe you do?
No, I just drink less.
Do you really? Why did you choose me as a
Follow me. Follow me. Got my mind, I've got my orange truck. Follow me. Got my mind. I can't sing extra words in the song.
got my soul. Why do you get malnutrition? Why don't you? Sorry, fella.
You don't know.
Spend on money. I don't want. Oh,
Zanesdale there, you know. Next station Zanesdale. You're gonna know. Go come to March, just stay for the journey. They actually can, you know. Johnny. Sam.
Enough money to do what? I didn't take some money up.
What?
Hey. How much you up for him?
It's their government.
No, him.
It's their government.
Him.
How much you don't think
How much
government?
you up to him, fella?
£1,000.
Why do you need all that? Why does it give the people starving? Oh, he's clever, isn't he?
Yeah.
You'd be forced to get in that profession.
You support
You can't talk to me, man.
No, the man's clever. He deserves all the money because he's clever.
Well, yeah.
Well, yeah, if you go to school, put the effort
You
in.
get money.
You make a communist society where everyone has an equal amount of
That is
share
his point of view.
You don't.
No, damn right.
We're gonna leave it.
I reckon if you
You're
work
better than
hard,
other people.
I reckon if you work hard, you deserve
Of course,
more.
if you work hard, you're much better than
You what?
If you work hard, you deserve more. If you do jack shit, then you deserve
The
jack shit.
bin man works harder than you. He works in the winter, in the cold.
They're kind of well paid,
Walks
actually.
around the street.
My uncle's a bit there, and he's got a 3-bedroom
And
semi.
he just lies.
About what?
Bye,
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, Alki. Alki's auto.
How you doing?
Why do you think we don't get drunk when we haven't had a drink?
Oh, I never drink.
Oh, we all get drunk, my dear. None of us drink. You have a lovely evening.
Oh, none of us. I think we all get drunk and none of us drink.
I take your
No, we're all quite the same.
I am. Hey, got in my lips tonight. I just
No, I just want to go.
have, man. I gave up drink 6 years ago, my love.
I thought you drank this week.
You're old. I was drunk as thing.
No, I don't.
You told us about an hour ago that you...
When you got on the train that you'd been to some mystical pub and you had like 3 or like
Beaver beer.
beers.
Beaver.
Yeah, you said you had some beer. Yes, you did, yeah.
Probably got that video, don't worry.
Well, I tried to look through, but I thought you said you really very, very good.
Very, very well. Listening to the voice. I was speaking to me. I've gone beyond your hearing. I wasn't doing anything wrong. I was not doing anything wrong. Not me, boo. I didn't do anything wrong. He was being clever. Making me a fool. And I am speaking by the way. You're here one.
What is it? What did you do for a living? What did you do for a living?
Matt.
Matt, ask you what
What's
you
your
did
name?
for a living.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Look at him.
Yeah. Yeah.
What? Alright. I'm sorry, you're right.